This is my husband, Craig. This could be one of the stupidest things I've ever done, or one of the smartest things I've ever done. But he's gonna do my makeup.
It's gonna look fabulous.
So I have brushes that he can use, and a bucket, literally, of goodies, and some palettes laid out, and no direction. So
I got this.
This should be interesting. And if you hear grunting and snoring, the big dog's under our feet, so he snores like a grandpa. We'll see how that goes. Ready?
I guess.
Get to getting.
Alright, let's see here. Photo focus. Probably gonna need some of that. Primer, that's like paint. I think you put that on first. I'm feeling that powder stuff I usually see you put on.
Which powder?
That powder that you dip it in there and put it on.
The one that makes you gag in the car?
Yeah.
I don't use that anymore.
Oh, okay.
That's what this is.
Oh, this has got to be it then.
Okay.
Cover FX blurring primer.
Directly on the sponge?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's the stuff I put all over, right?
Whatever you think.
It just fell off.
It just fell.
Hold on here. Let's... Oh, yeah. Blend that in real good. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, going in with the fingers now.
Well, just it didn't stick on the sponge very well, so you gotta kind of put it on there, put it in that hairline, put it on your nose. Now, I can't tell that I've done anything, but there's something up there I didn't get. How's that look? Missed some more.
Oh.
All right, I think we're good. All right, after the primer, you want the paint. Here, these has got to be paints. Nude.
Are you going to do like a concealer or foundation or anything?
That is the foundation, right? Primer. Put that on first.
What do you put on top of the primer?
Paint.
Okay.
Before you paint a car, put the primer on, then you paint it.
Okay.
So, what's foundation? That sounds like a building block. We'll use that not much. Kind of like sunscreen.
It's like a tinted moisturizer.
We'll go back to our trusty eye drop, teardrop sponge here.
It's a booty blender.
Yeah, we'll blend that booty right on in there. Oh, yeah. Getting all up in the pores. Clogging them pores up for later. I'm going to get some down here, too.
You're blending down the neck. Most people don't even do that daily. I'm proud of you. Can you get my nose?
I think so.
Okay.
I got it now.
I think you went up my nose.
Alright, now. Now it's coming together. We got our primer. We got foundation, whatever that is. Now it's time for paint. Brushes on this stuff.
Uh-huh. Do you want to do concealer under my eyes for my dark circles?
Do you paint first?
Do whatever you want.
Let's paint first.
Okay.
I feel like I need a thick one here. How about that one? That ought to work. Let's see. I think you gotta try to match. That ain't gonna work. What's this stuff here? Benelli, no.
Read it.
Bronze and brighten.
Oh, Lord. It's very pigmented.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay away from that stuff. Let's see. What's this one here? Nah. Harry Potter.
It's not Harry Potter. It's Kat Von D Shade and Light Palette.
That might work. I think I like that. I like the Harry Potter stuff. Right there.
What is this? What
Harry,
are you
Harry
doing
Potter
with
or
this?
something. I'm gonna just put it, kind of blend it in. Oh, look at that. Hey, that gave you some color. You've been out at the beach. You get a little more. That. Looking good. Looking real good. Alright, now I feel like I need to do some. They use this for your eyebrows. Glow face palette. Well, you probably want to glow a little bit.
Did you smell it?
No. Smells like coconut.
Smells like the beach.
Well, we gotta have some beach. We use that one right there for the beach. Let's see. I think I've seen this in a movie before. See? Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Oh, yeah. Wet and Wild H2O proof. What is that?
It's waterproof eyeliner.
Probably don't want waterproof. I probably don't want that. It might be hard to come up. Lip line. We ain't ready for lip shit. What's the stuff that you put under your eyes? What's that called?
Concealer under my eyes or on my eyes?
Both.
Well, eyeshadow
This is the
goes
eyeshadow. Here.
on the eyes, and this is what I put under my eyes to cover my dark circles.
You just put it on there and then rub it in. Huh?
You're being a little rough.
Sorry. Did I rub it in with my fingers?
Whatever you want to do. Clearly, you don't watch my videos.
Do you use this thing?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, yeah. It's coming together good. Might be able to do this. Like a little side gig, make some money.
Come with me to weddings and be my second makeup artist.
Yep. Looks good, don't it? Alright, now we want this for your eyes. So I'm glad I didn't use this earlier. I knew it was look kind of small.
It's the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, by the way. It's well loved, as you can see.
Yeah, this thing's been through it. Alright, I'm going to spice it up a little bit this time. Alright, I don't want you to see this. Close your eyes. Because don't I put this on the eyelid?
Mm-hmm.
YouTube's going to love this right here. Alright, get your eyes ready. I'm about to put it on there.
Oh, I feel the fallout.
I don't know what that is, but...
I feel it under my eyes. You didn't tap off your brush.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, shit. I think I just contaminated some other colors.
Oh my god. That just means I need to buy a new palette.
Hold on, the other one looks a lot... It's got a lot more on it than that. Spice it up a little bit. Oh, yeah. How'd I get the fallout off?
Take a big fluffy brush and dust it off. Like under my eyes. I could do more than one color.
Okay. You said you normally do more than one color?
Mm-hmm. I
on
usually
this?
do like a lid shade and then a crease shade.
Oh.
No, you do whatever you want. You're the makeup artist.
Is there a, let me see. I need like a real thin paintbrush, like that one right there. That's a good one right there. You see that fine, let's see, where's the camera right there? You see that fine bristle? All right, you ready for this?
No, I'm scared. And this is why I'm a crappy client. I'm a control freak and I can't see what's going on.
I think I've seen this on like J-Lo before.
You have?
Yeah, something like this.
You do want me to look like J-Lo.
I'm going to this other eye now. Oh yeah, this looks a lot better. I don't have very steady hands. I'm not a good drawer. That's pretty good.
Oh my god.
You can't really see it that well. Alright, I think we're good on
I'm
that.
done with eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow primer. Oh, I was supposed to put that on first, wasn't I?
Mm-hmm. It's concealer, which you've already done. Lip gloss. Mascara.
Oh, we gotta do some mascara.
Don't poke me in the eyeball.
Is it? How do I get it on there? Is it already on there?
Yeah. Oh my god.
All right, ready? Do I go down also?
If you want to.
Look at that. That's talent right there, folks. We need something for your forehead.
What's on my forehead?
This needs to look a little shiny. Something I did to the cheeks I didn't do there.
What about a highlighter?
All right, where's that at?
That is a highlighting palette.
This here?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. Cosmetics.
BH Cosmetics Blacklight Highlight Palette.
6-color palette in one. All right, this I think I gotta go to a bigger brush. I'm learning. I'm getting it down.
You have an unusual highlighting technique?
Huh?
Said you have an unusual highlighting technique.
Well, I gotta have a little more.
Oh my god. My forehead is lavender.
We've not blended it yet.
Oh my god. I really feel like we need to go to Walmart after this.
I mean, you'd be the hottest one there. Okay. Now it's shiny.
Oh, it's shiny.
All right, what about for your eyebrows? What do you have in here for that? What's this?
It's bronzer.
When you use that? I've already done that, haven't
I mean, I think that's what you use the eyeshadow for in the beginning.
I? All right, we gotta find something for your eyebrows.
What's wrong with my eyebrows? Here's a brow, wow brow.
All right, that sounds good.
Or here's a brow pencil.
Oh yeah, that'll work.
This will be interesting.
Oh,
So you can put it on, and then you can blend it out with a spoolie brush.
Okay.
I can already feel how this is gonna look. You were using a very heavy hand with that.
I gotta get enough on there to blend it.
That's the wrong hand. You're gonna break it.
I think
You
I-
broke it.
I think I did break it. You just want me to do this so you can go and buy a bunch more stuff.
I mean, maybe.
That looks fabulous. I think we gotta be close to done.
They're sisters, not twins.
Huh?
They're sisters, not twins.
What do you mean?
They're not identical.
Well, I mean, they're close. That's all that matters. Alright. What do we put on there to blend it all together?
A setting spray?
What's this stuff?
A highlight and contour palette.
There's something that you put on there and then you take one of those big brushes and just kind of do all of it.
Oh,
It's
that
like the last
powder.
thing you do.
That.
Wet
yeah.
and Wild photo focus.
Mhm. So I'm real bad about doing my makeup in the car, and he used to get mad at me because I loved the Coty Airspun powder, but it smells like an old lady. And so he'd freak out every time I'd use it in the car. Do that.
Yep, this is it. They use the same thing.
No, use a fluffy brush, a powder brush.
It's gonna make me cough.
Don't inhale it.
Alright, I think we're good.
We're good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, are you going to do eyelashes?
No.
You don't want to try eyelashes?
No.
What about eyeliner?
I thought we were put eyeliner
Oh,
on.
is that the blue?
No, I thought that was the thing that we put on the...
Mascara?
Yeah.
You don't want eyeliner?
What's eyeliner? Yeah, let's do some eyeliner. I do some eyeliner and lipstick, and then I think we're
That's
done.
eyeliner, or I have pencil eyeliner.
Yeah, let me do the pencil. I'm good at pencil stuff. Drop your brush. I put this where the crease is. Oh, under the eyelash.
Oh my god.
Oh, hell.
Oh my god.
Poke your eye out. You ready for this?
No. I can see it coming towards my eye.
Oh, yeah?
Oh my god.
You look like a raccoon. I'm not done.
I guess we're going for a smoky look.
Oh, I think I just rubbed your eyeball.
Look at Cleopatra. You're jabbing my tear duct.
Looks good, don't it? Kind of look like those football players a little bit.
Was the eye black under my eye?
Yeah.
Thanks. Is that what you were going for?
No, but it just kind of happens. Let me see. Look at me. If I could like hit the undo button.
You would take it off?
Yeah, I think you looked pretty good before I did that. Alright, I guess let's throw some lipstick on there and I think that'd match pretty good. It is lipstick, right?
Mm-hmm. He didn't see the blue lipstick that's in there.
I don't want blue. Oh, how does this work?
It's liquid lipstick.
Oh, no, I ain't using this. Where's the old-fashioned stuff?
You just rub it across my tooth.
Well, stick your lips out and stick your teeth in. There you go. You just moved. See, that's on you. That is on you. You moved. It looked good until you moved. There you go. We'll just go with it. Looks good.
Better?
Yeah.
Is that the final look?
What did I use that one for?
The eyeshadow that you put all over my face. To give me some color.
Alright, let's just kind of blend once more everything together. Boom, baby. It's done.
Well, apparently this is the final makeup look.
I think I did a pretty good job. I really feel like I did a decent job for my first time.
Could be worse.
It could be.
I've seen worse. Well, if you want to see more of Craig on the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you think. And we will see you all later.